Good afternoon, team. It's Jennifer Pickett, and I hope you're having a great day. We have got another training video for you. I say we because you notice my assistant in the background. She's taking a little nap. That may have been a poor HR decision on my part. But today's training video is a product-focused video on the products of Plexus, the BioCleanse and the ProBio 5. And these are fantastic products that really everyone needs. So let's talk about those today. First of all, you have the product ProBio 5. This is a probiotic. If you don't know anything about probiotics, this is something that you really need to know because probiotics are beneficial for literally everyone. And this is one of my favorite Plexus products. It is one that I really feel like a majority of people need, if not absolutely everyone needs. First of all, what's a probiotic? A probiotic is, very simply put, healthy bacteria. Now, going way back to my days of when I was training to be a dietitian, my nutrition professors would talk about the healthy bacteria that's in your gut. And that healthy bacteria is very important and plays many, many different roles. That maintains like a normal gut flora or a normal bacteria, a normal balance in your system. So that healthy bacteria is good bacteria and is very much needed. Unfortunately, sometimes that healthy bacteria gets wiped out, and that really, really needs to be replenished. This can happen when we use steroids, especially when we use antibiotics. That healthy bacteria in your system is wiped out, and we really need to replenish that. And the product ProBio 5 will help replenish that healthy bacteria. Now, it does contain 5 healthy bacteria, so that's why it's called ProBio 5. It also contains enzymes, and these enzymes are very, very important because the enzymes help attack some of the yeast and the bad bacteria that has taken up residence within our gut. So this is very, very important. We know that healthy bacteria really does play a role in our immune function. It also plays a role in just how good we feel. So there are numerous benefits to the ProBio 5. If you have someone that asks, what makes the ProBio 5 different? First of all, the enzymes make it different. It also contains vitamin B6 and grapeseed extract, and that's very crucial to how all of this science work together for a very high quality product. If someone asks you, it does contain 2 billion CFUs. So if somebody really knows their probiotics, they might have that question for you, but it does contain 2 billion CFUs. One bottle is about a 6 to 8 week supply. This is a product that you take at night, at bedtime. Take 1 to 2 capsules, and you can actually take up to 4 capsules, but I recommend that you start slowly, work your way up. Now, why would you need to take 4 capsules? So let's get into that. Some people have an overgrowth of something called Candida yeast in their system. Now, this can happen very easily if someone has been on an antibiotic and that healthy bacteria is not there to fight that Candida yeast. Also, just because of our American diet with lots of processed carbohydrates and lots of sugars, it really promotes the growth of Candida yeast in our system. So this can be a really bad problem. How do you know if you have a problem with an overgrowth of Candida yeast? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to take a glass and pour bottled water into this glass. First thing in the morning, when you wake up, before you've brushed your teeth or anything else, you're going to spit into this glass. Now, this is a non-scientific test, but it's very telling. You spit into the glass. After you spit into the glass, just leave it there for a little bit. And when you come back to it, see what your spit has done. See what your saliva has done. If it has developed legs and is sinking, then that means you have some form of an overgrowth of Candida yeast. If it's floating on top, you're probably just fine. But look and see what your saliva does. We call this the spit test, and there's information in the back office, and there's information on our Southern Gems page. about this spit test. And again, it's a non-scientific test, but it does help you determine if you have an overgrowth of Candida yeast. Now, the ProBio 5 will help you with that overgrowth of Candida yeast. It is one of the biggest benefits of that. And again, it's because it contains the 5 healthy bacteria to help replenish that healthy bacteria in your GI system and help balance that out. And again, it contains the enzymes to really help fight against that dangerous yeast. There is good yeast and there's bad yeast, so be aware of that. So that's all about the ProBio 5. So let's get right into the BioCleanse. The Plexus product BioCleanse is truly a revolutionary product that is absolutely amazing. Now, I will confess to you that I had a tendency to kind of pigeonhole this product into just a gentle cleanse. It does relieve constipation, and that's so important. We cannot talk about nutrition without talking about elimination. And if your clients are having problems with constipation, they are going to have problems with weight loss. And so it's important to know that BioCleanse will help them with that. It contains magnesium hydroxide, and that really does help to relieve constipation. This is truly a gentle cleanse. Please note, it is not a harsh laxative. It will not keep you running to the bathroom. It is truly a gentle cleanse, but that's not all it does, and it's so important to know that. It has several other key benefits, and I want you to know those so that you're prepared when you get asked questions. First of all, it oxygenates the entire body. It provides oxygen, and that is such an important environment in our body, and we'll unpack that a little bit further. But it's also going to neutralize any kind of acidic condition, and that really helps us get rid of some pathogens that are in our system. It also helps provide some energy, both mentally and physically, and it enhances our weight loss. It enhances that collagen production in our system, and it does help detoxify and cleanse the GI system and the arteries. This product is absolutely amazing. The science behind it is what blows my mind. And trying to study the science behind this, it's a little bit hard to grasp, but I'm going to try to put it in a nutshell for you because it really is mind-blowing, and it just shows you the quality of products that Plexus has. So, when I said that BioCleanse, it oxygenates the entire body. Well, how does it do that? It's actually very complicated, but there's a process where they put magnesium, peroxides, superoxides, and ozonides in a crystal lattice matrix, similar to when you see ice bubbles trapped in ice, and or air bubbles trapped in ice. This is similar to what this crystal lattice matrix is of these compounds that I just mentioned. Now, when this crystal lattice matrix hits your stomach acids after you have ingested it, that is when this oxygen is released into your system. So why is that important? Why is that science so important? Well, fact, when a body is well oxygenated, it is more resistant to disease. And that's very important to know. A well oxygenated body is going to be more resistant to disease. But also we know that a well oxygenated body is working efficiently. Now, when it comes to our body burning fat, our body utilizing fat stores for energy, when there's more oxygen in the system, fat is burned or oxidized more efficiently. This product is helping to ensure that that happens, that fat is oxidized or burned more efficiently. And finally, it also contains vitamin C and bioflavonoids, and that plays many different roles, but it does provide for a more sustained release of that oxygen. So this is a product that has so many key benefits. A lot of people take it with the ProBio 5 because we want to make sure if we're breaking down that nasty Candida yeast, we want to eliminate it completely. But again, you can't talk about nutrition without talking about elimination. And it is so important that someone is going to the bathroom on a regular basis This will help with that, but it's giving you a lot of other health benefits as well. To wrap things up, BioCleanse is an amazing product. It does come in a 120 count bottle and a 180 count bottle. This is a product that you take twice daily between meals. You can take 1 to 2 capsules 2 times a day between meals. And again, I'm going to remind you, it's important to get that water in. You need to take this product with some water. So about 8 ounces of water. And you're supposed to be drinking that water anyway. It's very, very important. So that's our 2 products for today that we've covered, the ProBio and the BioCleanse. 2 amazing products that are in the Plexus line of health and wellness products. And again, we are so fortunate to work for a company and represent a company that has amazing products with very high quality ingredients and astounding science behind these products. I hope that you'll recommend these products to your clients and use all the tools that we have out there. If you have any questions, that's what I'm here for. And I will remind you again that I love that we are on the same team and we're doing this Plexus journey together. Thanks, and you guys have a great night.